And today we'll open the Shopkins. And Big Mac and the donut and the ice cream and tea and juice and drink juice and okay, let's get started. Okay, this one has inside is all the caters. All the skaters and Candy cakes. Well, and that really started. Okay, and have to open it and see what's in the Whoa, we got cake birthday. Hey, kind of. Weasel! I had just a birthday cake. Okay, well, we will open another one. So, and the mother gave it to me, and we already closed it. Whoa! And I know his name is. And he knows his name is. And we will open the Tsum Tsum. Okay, we got Minnie, Cinderella, and Dumbo. Well, we had Dumbo and Cinderella and Daisy. Well, we will open another Tsum Tsum over down, and we will open the Tsum Tsum. Now we got him for Tsum Tsum, and he's our full Jack, and he had to go Pumpkin King. And he's really cool, and he says and a tail. Now we won't open the major time. We won't open the new one. It's Jake, and for major time, now he's had his papa. He's a good. And we got Anna's skaters, and this we got. Well, it's a